So, Ayiti Community Trust is a nonprofit organization that provides support and collaboration for entrepreneurs on the ground in Ayiti.
So I stand before you today not just as the president of Ayiti Community Trust, but as a proud daughter of this beautiful land we call home, Ayiti. But let me emphasize, this evening is not merely about fundraising. It is much, much more.
So, Dr. G, who's been my friend for a few decades, she called me when she came up with this great idea. And I said, you had me at hello. Whatever you need, you have been a true light. You have made such a difference, and everyone here knows it. Yes, we celebrate you. And to bring people together to celebrate for a cause, a really important cause, that is so special.
Can we make some noise now? Can we make some noise for Dr. G and Acid?